that. We all going to the meet. Dang, man. We're gonna go right there. Damn, bro. Let's go check it out. There's M3. Oh. Oh, we stuck now. We hella stuck now, huh? Our place is gonna stay here, bro. This man started red bombing and like 5 seconds later, the place just came by. That's crazy, dude. These are your favorite Mustangs. Look, what is that? The white one. Type R. Good job. It's a cool Mustang, huh? You like the Q50s? That's crazy, huh? That's crazy, bro. Look, Subies. Prelude. Good job. That's sick, bro. Look at that Tesla, so low. Right there, the white one. The only cool Tesla. Look, what is that? Airless suspension, that's why it's so low. I bet. You want to go over there and go check it out? Oh, they got the motorcycles. Look. There's a lot of them. Look at that. Hey.
Mustang!
I'm gonna go over there and check it out. Look, what is this? Sheesh. Look, why is there a light underneath? All the way there. That's 2K. Oh, look. Want to see Porsche?
I finally found the rock.
Yeah, right there.
A bumblebee.
Wow. I got the Corvette and the Porsche. It's cool, huh? Boxster.
What's a blue one?
What?
What's a blue one?
Good thing, bro.
What is that? Mustang. Daddy?
Yeah.
What? The one.
Whoa. Whoa. Exhaust go crazy, huh? That's the S2K. Whoa. Man, I know you like F05s, bro. Dang. Type S. What is one? Clean Lexus, huh? Come on. Oh, we got, damn. They got the, oh no. Dude.
What?
The police got the BMW.
Where's the
Well, not there anymore. You like this M3? Oh, look at the BBS wheels. Huh? Or BMW. Pull over. That's crazy, bro. It's the black Corvette. Oh, NSX. That's so beautiful, dude. Miata! Civic. Hey, there's more cooler cars over there. I'm gonna check it out. Come on. That Corvette came in quiet, huh? Wow. That Corvette. Look at that BMW. The M4. The mclaren. Yes, Corvette. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that. What is this? Well, is it, you want to look at the M4? It has a wing. It has a wing. I think we saw this a long time ago, huh? Oh no, there's the police waiting for other random cars, dude. Oh. Everyone's leaving. It got real low, huh? What do you want to do? You want to stay longer? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Boy got pulled over. Mustang got pulled over. That's crazy. The police pulled him over.